Right then, Stuart, that noise you can hear sussing is air coming out of the piston block there, which means my little contraption worked. Yes! As you can see, probably one of the most difficult soldering jobs I've done. The solder already in that connection there, already all around a pipe, which I could remove quite easy, but that not so easy. I somehow had to resolder that steam pipe back on without all the solder going up the pipe. So as you can see, that's the remains of a plastic covered paper clip that what I did, I inserted the copper wire first, I looked it out of the safety valve hole, and then pulled it through until this staple was just showing up to the height of that what do you call it, bush thing there. Then pushed the pipe in and soldered it. No leaks. I've risked the boiler getting COVID by sticking on there, so that the boiler will have to self-isolate for 14 days now. But not that I've got COVID, but I mean we're just assuming because we're all on lockdown that we've all got it. There you go. Just over a bar of pressure in there. No leaks. God, I'm pleased. It's bothering me, that has. So anyway, see you later. Bye.